Now, factorize a plus 2b whole square minus 2a plus 2a minus b whole square. So, Maisha, if you observe this, compare it with x square minus y square, Maisha. X square minus y square is what? X plus y into x minus y, no? Now,
Yes, sir.
if you just observe this in the place of x, if you imagine this just like with this, in the place of x, what is there, Maisha?
Sir, it's A.
In the place of x, actually, whatever there inside the bracket is x, Maisha, because square is there
Oh,
common,
okay.
no?
A plus 2AB is X.
Yes, Maisha, a plus 2b is x. So, and what is y?
Sir, 2A minus B.
Yes, Maisha. So, I didn't use here a square minus b square because already a and b are there in this question. That's why I used x square minus y square. Okay, Maisha?
Okay, sir.
Yes, Maisha. Now, if we compare this in the place of x, we have a plus 2b, and in the place of y, we have 2a minus b. Now, what should I do? Our answer is x plus y into x plus x minus y, no?
Yes, sir.
If so, since here binomials are there, x itself is a binomial, y itself is a binomial. Not to confuse, you can first separately find out x plus y and x minus y, and then multiply them together over. If you confuse writing this lengthy thing at a time, you can first find out x plus y because x and y individually are binomials, and then x minus y, and then club them. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So first I'm finding out x plus y now. X plus y means x is a plus 2b, y is 2a minus b. So what we will get? A and 2a together plus 2b minus b. So a and 2a will become what, Maisha? 3a plus 2b minus b will become minus b. Any doubt?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Now x minus y similarly. I'll find out x minus y. X minus y is equal to x minus y. How to do, Maisha? X is a plus 2b. From that, whenever minus is there, you have to open the brackets because minus is applicable for every term. No, in addition, I didn't do any brackets, but in subtraction, brackets are must too because the reason is the one which you're subtracting, its signs will change. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so it will become a plus 2b minus 2a. What should I write, Maisha, here? Minus 2a
B.
plus b minus b. Here, this is
Sir,
2a minus
minus
b,
B,
Maisha.
sir. Sir, minus B.
Actually, Maisha, this is 2a minus b. This is 2a minus b
Oh.
because y, no, this x minus y is what,
Yes,
2a minus b.
sir.
So now
So,
minus is around there. If you open the brackets, it will become minus of minus
plus,
plus
plus minus, plus B.
yes, Manisha. So now you can rearrange a terms together, a minus 2a plus 2b plus b. Okay. A minus
Yes,
2a is
sir.
how much, Manisha?
Sir, A minus what?
Manisha, you are fully on our screen only, no?
Yes, sir.
So once I rearranged the like terms, Manisha.
Yes, sir. So, A minus what did you say?
A minus 2a. If you're, Manisha, you're completely seeing this step only, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Manisha. Once can you tell now what should I write, Manisha, by observing that step?
A minus 2A is A.
1 minus 2.
Yes, sir. 1.
1 minus 2 is how much, Manisha?
Sir, it's 1.
Manisha, integers.
Hello,
Bigger
sir.
number. You're subtracting bigger number, Manisha.
Minus 1. Sorry.
So it is minus a. Minus 1a means minus a only. Plus 2b plus b is.
2B plus B is 3B.
So finally, our answer is x plus y into x minus y, no? So
Yes,
we'll
sir.
club them together. X plus y, how much we got? 3a.
Minus A plus 3B.
No. X plus y, we got it as,
3A minus B.
and x minus y, we got it as minus plus a plus. Just we'll club them together. Our answer will be this final answer for this final answer is x plus y into x minus y. So which is 3a minus b into minus a plus
Minus
3.
A plus 3B.
This is a factorization of that. Okay, Maisha?
Okay, sir.
Okay, so we'll go to the next one. Let's delete it, Maisha.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Maisha. Some teachers will write, since here first minus is there, minus a plus 3b, they'll rewrite it as 3b minus a, both are same. Okay, this part.
Okay, sir.
This Maisha. 3b minus a minus a plus a. The next one, x power 16 minus y power 16. So what should I do? X power 16 minus y power 16.
X power what?
Fourth bit Maisha, x power 16 minus y power 16. So first I have to write it like power 2 should
X
come. Power
power
2 means
8 into
whole power 2.
X
X
power
power 8,
8 whole power
whole
2,
power 2,
Y
y
power 8
power 8.
whole power 2.
This Maisha. Now
And
it
then
looks
X
like a
power,
square minus b square, where a is x power 8, b is y power 8.
yes, sir.
So it will become, it is of the form, if I write every step, it is of
Sir, then it becomes X power 4 whole power 2.
a square minus b square, which is a plus b into b minus b. So a is x power 8 and b is y power 8. If we compare, so what will you get, Maisha? X power 8 plus y power 8 into x power 8 minus y power 8. Now this thing we can further factorize. So we'll write x power 8 plus y power 8 same way. Now x power 8 we can write it as x power 4 whole power 2 minus y power 4 whole power 2. Okay, Maisha, any doubt?
No, sir.
Now this thing, can you tell same way, Maisha? Now this part, this thing will repeat as it is. X power 8 plus y power 8 will repeat as it is. Cannot do anything further.
X power
So this one,
4.
this looks again like
X
a square
power 2
minus b
whole
square.
power 2.
So this looks like a square minus b square minus, where a is x power 4, b is y power 4. So x power 4 plus y power 4 into x power 4 minus
Y power 4.
y power 4. Now
So what we
again this
can do it
can be,
further, right?
yes, Maisha, this can be further done again. Okay.
X
So
power,
because of that, it will become, the remaining ones will write as it is. X power 8 plus y power 8 and x power 4 plus y power 4 will write as it is. This thing can be written as x square whole square minus y square whole square. Okay. Now again it looks like a square minus b square, where a is x square, b is y square. So it will become the remaining things as it is usual, right? X power 8 plus y power 8 into x power 4 plus y power 4 into this one. A is x square, b is y square. So you will get x square plus y square into x square minus y square. Any doubt, Maisha?
no, sir.
Now final step, this thing can be still further factorized, which is direct formula x plus y into x minus y. So remaining parts we should write as it is. This will be the final step. X power 8 plus y power 8 into x power 4 plus y power 4 into x square plus y square into x plus y into x minus. This is the final factorized form for this question. Okay, Maisha?
Yes, sir.
Shall I delete it, Maisha?
Sir, 1 minute.
Okay, Maisha.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Maisha. Then final one, fifth bit also same way, Maisha. I'm deleting this. So fifth bit, if you observe, it is 25b, 25 fraction is there for the second part. That is the only difference. But otherwise it is same. 16, this is 16 by 9a square. So now 25b square, I can write it as 5b whole square, no, Maisha?
Yes, sir.
So 5b whole square minus. This is 4 by 3a whole square, no? You can observe 16 is 4 square, 9a square is 3a whole square. That together will become 4 by 3a whole square. Any doubt, once check, Maisha?
No, sir.
Okay, Maisha. Now it looks like it is of the form x square minus y square. Here a and b are there, so instead of writing a square minus b square, I'll write x square minus y square. It is of form x square minus y square, which is x plus y into x minus y. So now where x is 5b and y is 4 by 3a. So we'll write like x plus y into x minus y over. Answer will be. So 5b plus 4 by 3a into 5b minus 4 by 3a over. This is our answer. We cannot further do anything. Any doubt, measurements check. Hello, Maisha.
Yes,
Any
sir.
doubt, Maisha? Any doubt, Maisha? Once check, Maisha.
No, sir. I don't have any doubt.
Shall I delete it, Maisha?
Sir, 1 minute. I'm writing.
So these type of factorization is different now. Whenever you have two terms and which can be written as a square minus b square, that is 11th question. All the bits are using a square minus b square, Maisha. Then 12th one, if you see when trinomial and four terms are there, trinomial is there, we should check for a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square, Maisha. If it is not possible, we have to do splitting middle term. Okay. So 12th question, first one, if you observe, Maisha, if we cannot do x square, we can edit as x whole
Okay,
square, but
sir.
20 is not a perfect square, no? So because of that, we will not write that as a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square, right? It will confuse. So we will split it the middle term. We'll split the middle term. Recently, I taught one more. Whenever trinomial is there, the middle term x term will be split at Maisha into two parts. So the two parts should be in such a way that when you multiply, you should get the end terms product. So end term is what here 20 into coefficient of x square is 1. 20 into 1 is what 20. So you have to check the factors of 20 in the rough space. 1 into 20, 2 into 10, 4 into 5, this much. Now among these three, Maisha, you have to check the which two numbers, if you add or subtract, you will get 90. So if you see first 10 plus 2 is 12, 10 minus 2 is 8, 4 plus 5 is 9, 5 minus 4 is 1. So 19 we should get it. 20 plus 1 is 21, 20 minus 1 is 19. So first two we have to select and we have to split this 19x now. So the question is now 12 the bit first one, x square plus 19x minus 20. Now I am splitting 19x in this way, Maisha. 20x minus 1x. How I know 20x minus 1x? I wrote the factors of 20 there because if you multiply these numbers, you should get this end product. So I took the factors of 20 and selected them in that 20 and 1 will suit because 20 minus 1 is 21. Remaining all, any one of them, if you subtract also, you're not getting 19, or if you add also, you're not getting 19. So 20 plus 1 is 21, so we should not add 20 minus 1. Now finally, which number we should keep minus sign? Here plus 19 should come. So that's why bigger number I should keep plus sign and smaller number I should keep minus. So 20 minus 1 is plus 19 and product will be when plus into minus is minus 20 into 1, 20. So minus 20 product also satisfied. So this is how the splitting should be done. Now from these two we can take common, from these two we can take common, from these two we can take x common, Mesha. To take x common, x into x plus 20. And here from this you'll take minus 1 common into x minus 1 into x minus 6. Then here minus is there. So because of that reason, you have to write plus, minus into plus, minus. So into x plus 20. Overall, if you observe Mesha, plus x plus 20 is common. So x plus 20 into x minus 1 is the final answer. So this is how we should do this model, Mesha.
Okay, sir.
If you have any doubt in this, you can ask Mesha, no problem. So next one, already they only give 4 terms, Mesha. No need of splitting the middle term directly from the first to 2 and next to 2. We'll just take common and over. So second one, you see a square plus 2ab plus b square minus 16. So from the first to 2, I'll take a common, from the next to 2. From the next to 2, we cannot take common. So this is a little different model, Mesha. If you observe, in the first two, we can take a common, but in the next two, there is nothing common. If you observe. Okay. So, no, Maisha,
Okay,
this is for sure,
sir.
Maisha. This question will come 100% in the exam. So here, suppose let us take, you can take a common here. A, if you take
Okay,
common
sir.
in the first term, a will be this a into a and this will be having 2b, a into a square and a into 2b is 2ab. Then in the next two, actually nothing is common, means one can be taken common. 1 into we have to, whenever one is taken common, as it is, you should write t square minus 16. Now you can see my time before question here we should get the same factor. No, in before question we got the same factor here in the brackets. That's why we took that common. No, so no, Maisha, you're fully concentrating here only.
Yes, sir.
But here,
Yes,
if
sir.
you see, we didn't get any common factor. That's why this method is not possible for it, because we are not getting any common factor. Then how to do? If you observe the first 3 terms, Maisha, a square plus 2ab plus b square. What is a square plus 2ab plus b square, Maisha? The first 3 terms, if you observe, a square plus 2ab plus b square. What is a square plus 2ab plus b square, Maisha? A
Sir,
plus b
it's
whole square, no?
yes, sir. A plus b whole square.
So now what I'm doing is, Maisha, first 3 terms I can write it as a plus b whole square, because it is of the form a square plus 2ab plus b square and 16. Now, Maisha, a plus b whole square, 16 can be written as 4 square. Now observe this step. This step you can observe. A plus b, this is looking like x square minus y square now. It is of the form like before question, 11th question model. Okay. Yes or no, Maisha? Where you can observe x is a plus b and y is 4. Just observe it, Maisha. So this answer
Yes,
is what
sir.
x plus y into x minus y. What is x square minus y square, Maisha?
Sir, it's
X plus
x
y
square.
into x minus y. So x is a plus b and y is 4. Just write it like this over answer. X plus y means a plus b plus 4. Okay. So, Ramasha, a plus b plus 4.
Yes,
And
sir.
x minus y means a plus b minus 4 over this much on. first three terms are looking like a plus b whole square, Maisha, and minus 16. So a plus b whole square, if you write it, then 16 will become 4 square. Now it looks like x square minus y square, where we did 12, 11th question, like that it will become. Okay, Maisha?
Okay, sir.
So this one again, 4 terms are given, Maisha. First, if you observe, this is also same like second model only, because the reason is here first we'll check it. First two we will take common, next two also will take common. Overall, if again nothing is coming common, we should check for any other method. Like for example, let us take in the first two maximum what we can take common, Maisha, here. 9 and 36 maximum 9 is common because 9 4 is 36. 3 also will come, 3 is but maximum number, highest common factor we should take. So a power 4, a square. In a power 4, a square will be there, but in a square, a power 4 will not be there. So that's why a square only you can take common, both of them. So this much is a common thing. So 9a square, if you take common, you will get 9a square into a square, 9a power 4 plus 9 4 is 36 and b square. A square is taken out, so only b square will come. Now here, Maisha, if you observe 36 and 81, again 9 is common. B, there is no b with 81, so we cannot take common. 9 4 is 36 and b power 4, 4b power 4 minus 9 9 is 81. You can see, Maisha, in these brackets are the same. Are the same, Maisha? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Are these same, Maisha, these two? They are not same because a square plus 4b square,
Yes,
this is
sir.
4b square.
So that's
They're not
9.
same. So that's why we cannot do this way for this. Whenever 4 terms are there, first we have to check like these two, or if any rearrangement possible, we should check it. But it is not coming, Maisha. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that's why what we will do, we will check with the above method now. In the above questions, we have 4 terms. First 3 numbers became a plus b whole square, like that. Here also, these 3, is it possible to make it look like a plus b whole square? Because all plus only is there. So now what I am doing is 9a power 4, I am writing it as this one. 9a power 4, I am writing it as 3a square whole square. Correct only? Because 3a square whole square is 3
Yes,
square
sir.
is 9, a square whole square is 9 power 4. Now 36b power 4, I'll write it as plus 6b square whole square. In the middle, I left space because there I'll write 2ab. Now plus 2 into a into b. According to me, this is the 2 into 3a square into 6b square. Now once multiply these 3 and check my you will get that term. 2 3 is a 6, 6 6 is 36 a square b square. That only came now. So now, Maisha?
Yes, sir.
Now clearly the first 3 things, first 3 terms are looking like,
Yes, sir.
these 3 terms are looking like x square plus 2xy plus y square, which is equal to x plus y square whole square, where x is equal to 3a square and y is equal to 6b square. Okay, Maisha? So now the first part will become x plus y whole square. That is 3a square plus 6b square whole square. Simply like this, it will become same like b with the second one, same like second one. But here just numbers are there. Now minus 81. Any doubt, Maisha? Once check. Now 81 will write it as 3a square plus 6b square whole square. 81 will write it as 9 square. Again, it looks like a square minus b square now. It is of the form, the above step is of the form. It is of the form x square minus y square, which is equal to x plus y into x minus y, where x is equal to 3a square plus 6b square and y is equal to 9. So answer will become x plus y into x minus y. This so x plus y into x minus y means 3. It will become 3a square plus 6b square is plus 3a square plus 6b square plus 9 into x plus y into x minus y. 3a square plus 6b square minus 9. Now for this, Maisha, overall, there is one more step that we can write. In all these three numbers, we have 3 common. Here also 3 common. So the 3 will be taken out. So in the first bracket 3 will come and in the second bracket 3 will come. Both the 3's will multiply and 3 into 3 9 overall. So first, okay, not to confuse, I'll first take 3 common in this. 3 into a, this is the only extra step here. 3 into a square plus 2b square plus 3. And here also multiplied with 3 into a square plus 2b square minus 3. Because reason is if you overall you can take 3 common in both the brackets. Now both the 3's will get multiplied. Both the 3's will get multiplied and we will write 9 into 3 into 3 9 into final answer will be for this final answer will be 9 into 3 into 3 9 gets multiplied and remaining two brackets as it is will write 9 into a square plus 2b square plus 3 into a square plus 2b square minus 3. This is the only step here. 9, 3 taking individually common is the only thing, Maisha, which is extra here. Remaining all same, like before someone. Then if you actually by observation we can see overall 3 is common in both the brackets. That's why we took it. Otherwise, if suppose you may get it out. If suppose I didn't observe, or if I didn't observe this, I didn't take 3 common means depending on the teacher, some teachers will cut off marks, some teachers will give the mark Maisha, not a problem. Okay, so because but then how do we know means generally when we practice these type of things, when we are doing in the tuition or when you're practicing, when you're before day of exam, when you're revising, no, you will get to recollect this type of situation comes means you have to take common overall. Number also is possible. So maximum factorized like form is this one for this. Okay, Maisha, if you have once check Maisha, you have any doubt in this, you can ask me and